What you need to do, though, Sir David, yeah, and other men who think like this, right, is stop watching these men who make like videos about, oh, you know, women are just against you and women are this and women are that or whatever, in it, yeah, because they just make you feel like women are evil and they're not. Women are hard to deal with if they don't respect you. Yeah, they're like fucking like children almost. They're badly behaved children, yeah, if they don't respect you. But women are not bad. Yeah, yeah. Women do bad stuff, yeah, cheat and that, but so the man do that. Yeah, so the man cheat. Yeah, so the man have man them all come out all these videos dissing women and that. Oh, this woman cheated on this man, this man. Yeah, but hold on a minute. There's man out here, right, who have two relationships. Like there's certain man, right? I've heard stories where the man has two families, literally has two families. Yeah, he lies about his employment, right? And he says that basically, you know, he works 4 nights on, 4 nights off, or whatever in it, or he works 1 week on, 1 week off, or 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off. He's not really, he has a job, right? But it's because he has to spend time with one particular family for 4 nights, yeah, or 2 weeks or 1 week. There are men who they call it having double lives. Yeah? There are men out here, right, who have double lives. Yeah? So don't believe all this madness. Yeah, all the there's men out here who portray women as being evil. What? Like man, them don't move like that. Yeah, there are women out here who get pregnant by an ex-man and pretend that it's an ex-man's baby. Yeah, but there are men out here who have lived double lives. There are men out here who I know women who have had babies with certain man, right? And the man has said, yeah, I only got 2, 3 children or whatever, innit? Yeah, your kid that I'm gonna have with you is gonna be the fourth, for example. Yeah. Come to find out, my man's got 6 kids, 8 kids, yeah, in total. Yeah. I know someone who they have a kid, right? Their kid that they have with one particular man went to a primary school, and that man had 2 other children in that primary school. 3 pitney them, yeah, in the same primary school in the same year. One of the parents or one of the youths, yeah, took the child out because she was so disgusted that her child has 2 siblings in the same year. Imagine you having 2 siblings in the same year group as you. The man had 3 pitney, you know, in the same school to blood clot. Yeah. The man, oh, come on. So don't get it twisted, fam. Like there's certain men out here, they try and make women look bad or whatever, innit? But the man them on the same energy. Yeah? It's like them man they have amnesia, like they only see what they want to see. Yeah? They don't realise that man them out here are just as bad as gal, you know. Yeah, 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 it is mad, fam. Come on. Come on, man. There's certain man, fam, there's certain man out here, their whole YouTube channel is based about like based on just dissing women. Like, come on, really? Really? Women are not evil like that, fam. I just say if a woman don't respect you, she's hard to deal with, yeah. When a woman don't respect you, yeah, I've all been with girls and they're starting fights with people in a restaurant and stuff like that, like arguments with restaurant staff. They don't respect you. Because if they respect you, they wouldn't even act up like that in your presence. Yeah? Somewhere along the line, you've been showing weakness or whatever, or they lost respect for you, and then they're acting like damn fools in your presence, man. So, yeah, come on, fam. Yeah. The gal out here just as bad as a man. Man are just as bad as gal, innit? Yeah, but there's certain people, it's just like the racism thing. Come on, man, it's all the same. Yeah? You got people, yeah, who support this Black Lives Matter movement so deep, so hard, yeah, that on Facebook, yeah, they only share videos to do with racist police officers. When really and truly, there are plenty of videos where there's young black people running around, looting, yeah, running around, beating up white people because they feel empowered now because of the Black Lives Matter movement. But they don't show them videos. Yeah? Me, I like to share a lot of videos on Facebook where black people are talking about how disgusted they are with Black Lives Matter. Because I like to actually push that narrative that, you know, it's not white people that's against black people. It's like there are actually black people who are actually conscious and they're actually aware that, you know what, the Black Lives Matter movement, yeah, in my opinion, yeah, and in their opinion, is totally wrong, right? And they're on the wrong energy. Yeah. So on Facebook, I like to share a lot of videos where black people are actually basically they're just doing the same thing as me. Yeah. They're talking about basically black people need to take responsibility in it. Yeah. And we ain't all with all this Black Lives Matter movement. Yeah. Well, black, but we're not with the Black Lives Matter movement. Yeah. We believe that black people need to take responsibility for their action. Yeah. It's the same thing. You're certain man, again, have amnesia. Oh, no, I don't see when men do anything wrong. I just only see when women do something wrong. Oh, MGTOW channels. Oh my God, listen, brother. If you ever want entertainment, yeah, just go on the MGTOW channels. Every now and then I go on MGTOW channels, yeah, and I just laugh. And I'm like, there are men out here who actually hate women. Like me, I could say like, yeah, I'm like men go their own way. Like, yeah, you know, like I don't need a woman to keep me and make me happy. Or I provide my own happiness, whatever. Yeah. But there's some men, right? They take it to a whole new level. Yeah, they're not just on, men go their own way, but they still deal with women. There are certain men out here who they're done with women. Like they won't sleep with women no more. They made themselves celibate, right? They ain't turned homosexual, but they're just done with women, right? They don't ever want to be with women ever again. Yeah, maybe they convert themselves into incels, isn't it? Yeah. So for you that don't know what an incel is, yeah. So incel is an involuntary celibate, basically a man who is either by his choice, yeah, he can't attract a mate and yeah, sleep with a girl or whatever, or women are just not interested in him in it for the life of him, yeah. Even prostitutes don't want to pay. Yeah, even prostitutes won't even provide him a service, innit? Yeah. You know that I like watching some of them. You know, like their murder investigation, like Britain's Most Dangerous Killer or top 20 most dangerous killers or whatever, innit? Yeah. The reason why a lot of these men kill women, right? It's because they can't even attract women. Like they're so frustrated, right, with the fact that they can't attract women. Right? It just turns them fucking mad, and they're not going around killing women. A lot of these psychopathic murderers or whatever, a lot of these psychopathic murderers, yeah, they end up killing women there because of their frustrations with not being able to attract a woman or whatever. Because I don't know if these men had 3, 4, 5 Instagram models at their disposal. Fucking what Navy Conda, yeah, Amira Dime, all these fucking all these different Instagram models and that, yeah. If they had them at their disposal, they would not be going around killing these women or whatever. And it's because they can't get no women. That's why it turns them mad. But instead of looking at themselves as the problem, right, they will feel like the women are the problem. No, they're the problem. Yeah, they're not become the best version of themselves. If you become the best version of yourself, you have lots of women around you. Yeah? And if you have become the best version of yourself and you don't have women around you, it's because you're not going out and you ain't social enough. Yeah, because you can be the best version of yourself all you want. Yeah. If you ain't out, yeah, then ain't no woman gonna come knock on your door, innit? Yeah. Even like Mark Zuckerberg, let's say he's the best version of himself. Now, the quality of women, right, won't be that good, yeah, because he's nerdy or whatever, innit? Yeah. But he can still attract women. Yeah, there's still some women out there he can attract. Yeah.